In this video, I'll show you how to update your AMD graphics drivers. To know what graphics card you have, just simply go to Settings, then System, and scroll until you find the About page. As you can see, I'm using an RX 580. To update the graphics driver, we just need to go to Updates, then downloading the latest updates. This can still work. The other way is by using the Adrenaline app from AMD. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting AMD software, which is called Adrenaline Edition. Once the app opens, you can see the shortcut in the upper right part of the app. Now look at the top right corner and click on the Settings gear icon. From there, go to the Systems tab. Here, you'll see a section called Software and Drivers. Click Check for Updates. Adrenaline will search for the latest driver available for your GPU. If a new driver is available, you'll see a download button or install button if it's on auto update, and the software will start downloading the update. Once the download is complete, click Install. The installation may take a few minutes and your screen might flicker or go black. That's normal during a driver update. After the installation finishes, Adrenaline may ask you to restart your PC, so go ahead and restart so the new driver can take effect. To confirm your driver is updated, go back to the Systems tab in Adrenaline. Here, under driver version, you'll see the current driver number and date. If it matches the latest release, you're up to date. And that's it. You've successfully updated your AMD GPU drivers. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.